How do some pianists instantly create emotional cinematic melodies like this? In this video, I'll show you 3 simple techniques that immediately make your improvisation sound cinematic. So, what can you use right now? Start with something you already know, arpeggios. But here's a cinematic trick. Don't think of them as accompaniment. Think of the highest note as your melody. That single idea instantly creates emotional emotion. We are in the key of E minor and we are in 6/8 feel. So we have E minor, then back to E minor, and then to D major with a 4. I'm slightly emphasizing the top note of the arpeggio. That top note becomes the melody. Even though I'm only playing arpeggios, it already sounds like a real melodic idea. Because the listener naturally hears the highest note as the lead voice. But here's the problem. This still sounds a little traditional, right? A little predictable. So, how do we make it sound modern and emotionally deeper? We use chord extensions. Extensions are simply extra emotional colors added to the chord. For E minor, add the 4, the A, and the 9, F sharp. So we have this arpeggio instead of this one. For A minor, add the 7, the G, and the 9, it's a B. So we have, let's go back to E. Now let's go to D with a 4. We have the G, that's our 4, and the 9, this is the E. So we have, instead of this one. Meanwhile, the left hand stays simple. Just use soft arpeggios, close position or wide position. The magic is not complexity, it's emotional spacing. So, let's put both hands together. By the way, if you want to learn the building blocks of improvisation step by step, there's a free guide. The link is in the description. But even with beautiful harmony, something is still missing. Because real cinematic music doesn't just sound emotional. It feels alive. So, how do we increase intensity and emotional tension? We use counter melodies. Think of it like an intimate conversation between two people. One voice answers to the other. That interaction creates emotional depth. For demonstration purpose, let's remove the chord extensions from the right hand. Now listen what happens when we add a soft answering phrase in the left hand. Let's put both hands together. Suddenly, the music breathes. It feels human. The emotion comes from interaction, not from playing more notes. So now, when we combine arpeggio melodies, chord extensions, and counter melodies, we get a full cinematic texture. Have a listen. Let's play around with it. But this leads to the most important question of all. How do you find melodic notes that don't sound random, but actually tell a story? Well, that's exactly what I'll show you in the next video.